Hi guys, welcome or welcome back. Today I'm really excited because my video is the custom Tarte kit unboxing. So twice a year they do this sale where you get to pick 5 full-size products and you only pay $63 for them. Some of the products prices vary, I believe, but I wanted to show you what I got. So it comes with a bag. Here's the bag I picked. I just went ahead and put everything in here instead of, I took it out of the box. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so they give you like a full face pretty much, or you can make a full face, I think. I'm just gonna take everything out. So the first thing I'm gonna show you is a moisturizer that I got. It's the Baba Balm, I believe is how you say it. And this alone retails for $39, which is, that's not a cheap moisturizer. I haven't tried it yet. But I've tried another Tarte skincare product that I like. It's the exfoliating tonic, I think it's called. I could be wrong. But anyway, this is what the packaging looks like. It's super cute. My cat's trying to get on the table, of course. And so I opened this, and this is how you get the product out. You push this down, and then there it comes out. Isn't that wild? I've never seen anything like that, so I'll just deal with that later. No, go in. Go. Sorry, my cat wants to be in the video too. Okay, so next I got the creaseless concealer. This retails for $26. I'll take it out and show you. I haven't tried this one, but of course I've tried the Shape Tape. I think everyone has. And if you haven't, it's really good. So here's what the packaging looks like. Anyway, so this one feels a little bit thicker than the Shape Tape, so I'm wondering if, that has anything to do with it being not, creaseless. I don't know what I'm trying to say. So next I have the Face Tape Foundation. This is what I chose. They had a few different options. I've tried quite a few of Tarte's foundation, but I hadn't tried this one. But unfortunately, it's way too dark. But I think I'll find somebody that I can give it to. But you open it and it's got a pump. It's really nice. It was really nice coverage, just, too dark. So I might try to give it to someone, or even just mix it with a lighter foundation and make my own shade. And next, the mascara that I chose was the Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. There's the box. And it's in the shade black. I don't believe they had any options for like brown or anything. If they did, I didn't notice. But I really like the packaging on this one. And here's what the wand looks like. So I did try this, and it's pretty nice. It definitely is more of a lengthening mascara and not much for volumizing, but that's okay because I have plenty of volumizing mascaras. And next is the Maracuja Juicy Lip. I have this on right now. It is so glossy, juicy like it says. And the cool thing about this is the component and how you actually get the product out. Is down here. You just push this up and then it comes out the top. But yeah, it's so glossy and pretty. I just can't get enough of it. I'm so ready for Christmas, so I decided I would get like the red shade. And yeah. So the last thing I got is a palette. It's the Everyday's Neutral palette. Oh, I forgot to tell you prices on everything else. Sorry. So the foundation is $39 as well as the moisturizer. The concealer is $26. The lip, it's just called Juicy Lip, but it's kind of like a super thick, juicy lip balm. And it's $19. And then this palette, I looked on the website yesterday to get prices, and it wasn't on there anymore, so I think they took it off after they did this, or they had it off or something. But something that was similar to it was $32. So I would say this is probably around $30. And here's the colors. I did swatches already. I've already filmed this video, but I'm a little bit sick and my voice just was so much worse yesterday, so I decided I would film again. So I'll go ahead and do swatches for you. And they're very soft. The first shade, the lightest shade, is a lot like my skin tone, so you can't even really see it in the swatch, but maybe you can on camera a little bit. Here's the swatches. Make sure you can see them. Yesterday in my video it didn't focus. You know, it's a neutral palette, so you know it's not gonna be bold or anything. Well, I don't know about that, but you know, I really think these are beautiful colors. If you're a neutrals gal, you know, this is gonna be perfect for you. I really think it's beautiful, and I'm excited to try it. So then the next two shades are highlight and a cheek. I did it again, a blush. I tried to say cheek shade twice now. And I think I said Everyday Neutrals Eye and Cheek Palette. But if not, that's what it is. So that's why there's the highlighter and the blush. At first, I thought the highlighter wasn't going to work for my skin tone. But then after swatching it, it actually doesn't look that bad. Except it's not swatching now. That's weird. It's like it doesn't want to swatch for me. Maybe I just can't see it in my lighting. Oh, it's just my lighting. I don't have any lights on, just natural light and my ring light. But that blush, this is actually what I'm wearing right now. I'm sorry, my phone keeps going off. I forgot to silence it. Rookie mistake. So anyway, that's what we got. Again, we got the moisturizer for $39. Well, not for $39. The moisturizer, the foundation, we got the concealer, the mascara, the eye and cheek palette, and the, I don't know if you call this a lip balm or like a lip gloss. I don't know. I'm confused. But anyway, so I paid $63 for all of that, and with just a guesstimate on the palette price, it came out to $178. So I'm so excited. You know, it's always worth your money, and you know, can't forget the bag, you know, to put it in. But yeah, so that's what I got. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this. I'm sorry I'm not in, you know, my normal happy mood. I'm just not feeling that great. But if you like seeing these and want me to get the next one when it comes again, just like this video or leave me a comment. And subscribe if you haven't already. And make sure your notifications are on so you can see when I upload. Because I'll be doing, you know, it's the beginning of the month, so I'll have more boxes coming in. So I'll have more uploads. But I just want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!